Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can add timestamp to our video in a CapCut application. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application and I'm going to add timestamp to my video. So first of all, we need to click on this text option, and after that we can select the text template, and after the text template has been opened, we have to find the time category. We can scroll all the way to the right around here, and this is the time category. Click on it, and there are a couple of timestamps we can use for our video, and you can select which timestamp that is suitable for your video. And I'm just going to select this one. Okay, then we can edit the timestamp. If we want to edit it, we just need to click on it and we can edit as we want. Okay, I'm going to add it like this. Okay, now it's done. Then we just need to click on this check mark, and we can make the timestamp align with the video by dragging it like this. And I'm going to place the timestamp right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can add timestamp to our video in CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.